Christopher. Hi, Preston. Look, we got some new shipmates now.
More pirates have joined us.
The pirate. We've been taken over by a host of Neville Island pirates. Out on our boat ride here today. First boat ride for Preston and Farley.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't do this all the time?
Oh, you know what? No, it's a second because you went on the good ship Lollipop or the, what do they call it? The Gateway Clipper. So this is actually your second boat ride.
Hey, you gotta take them up to the farm.
No, I went on the bar.
What, honey?
I got 2 boat rides.
2 boat rides.